Most people make lemon water the wrong way, and in this video I'll show you guys the exact way to get the most benefits out of your lemon water. Stay tuned. Make sure to also visit and browse the Arsenal Aspires website to find hundreds of different health products to suit your individual health goals. You'll find the best products for your body, mind, and spirit. You can also see a list of some of the greatest books online that I've come across, and my blog is there too if you want to check that out. Hey guys, today I wanted to make a short and straight to the point video on how to make lemon water correctly to enjoy the drink while taking up most of the nutritional benefits it provides. Let's hop into the kitchen and get this video started. Before anything, you want to make sure you pick out some good lemons. So to do that, look out for these things when choosing your lemons. Number one, its weight. The heavier the lemon and the thinner the skin, the more juice it has. Number two, a ripe lemon should be firm and have a fine textured peel with a deep yellow color. The deeper the yellow, the less acidic the fruit is compared to a lighter or greener lemon. Number three, surface marks usually do not affect the fruit inside, but you should try to avoid buying bruised or dried out fruit, as well as shriveled or hard-skinned lemons. Now that we got the perfect lemons and have washed them, we can go ahead and make our lemon water. Here's how to do it incorrectly. Although I'm still going to drink this and not let this go to waste, let's show you guys how to get the most out of the lemon water. I boil the water. You don't necessarily have to do this, but I do, as boiled water has some documented studies showing that it can help with weight loss combined with the right diet. And it also reduces your stress levels and may also improve your circulation. I'll leave the studies for you to read in the description on your own time. Now, I extract the lemon zest and add it into the water. One lemon has 2 tablespoons of lemon juice in it. One lemon also has 1 tablespoon of lemon zest. So in case you're wondering about the right measurements for your lemon water, you want to squeeze half a fresh lemon for every 8 to 12 ounces of water. And if it is too strong, you could always dilute it by adding more water to improve the taste. You can also include the leftover lemons into your drink or a bigger jar to let them bathe in there to get any excess nutrients left over. Hey guys, so I brought out my lemon juice out here because it's such a beautiful day. I'm going to enjoy this outside. I also forgot to mention that lemons have 64% of your vitamin C requirements a day, so it's rich in vitamin C. I'll also leave some of the nutritional benefits and the facts on the side here as well. And you saw how much lemon zest I put in the last video. You don't have to use that much. You could actually strain it if you're not really into lemon zest. I love it. I love the taste, and it's jam-packed with extra nutrients in there as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below how you make your lemon juice or have seen any benefits from drinking lemon water. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos just like these. Thank you so much for sticking all the way to the end of this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe, like, and notification icons for more videos like these. Until then, see you on the next one.